Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Penny.
And we are the Oyster Boys, and little equipment video today. We are here talking about, oh my God, I've got my beer, it's in a keg, but how am I gonna get it out of the keg?
You took it to a party. They've got an ice bucket. You've got a mini one. You put it in the mini one. Brought the gas.
Yeah.
You can't just put a spoon in and spray that up and put a glass over the top.
Can't
of
just
it.
put my mouth over it like, just deep throat the keg.
Thought too much about that.
So previously I've had like the party taps, you know, where you got your big coil of
but
hose.
you can't control the gas once it's a wheat beer and they've just got a glass of foam. They go, you're shit.
But look, the NukaTap Mini flow control disconnect tap.
Wow, available now.
Yeah.
At Malt Miller.
So I picked one of these up.
Buy it now. 99 left. 98. 99. Quick, it's going down price.
But wait, there's more. I picked this up because I lost my party tap, basically.
Oh.
So I picked this up and I thought, you know what, this is actually dead handy for, not just when you can't be bothered setting your full beer chiller up and running your beer through it, but for me, I ferment in the bottom of the shed down there, and when I'm fermenting it, I need to check what's going on with the beer, and I can just pop this on, dial in the flow control so I'm not getting a glass full of
So you
foam,
taste the beer whilst it's fermented?
Well, when I think it's finished fermenting.
Okay.
Just
What,
see how the
taste that?
carbonation's doing, see everything like that. But but it means I'm not having to transfer it over to the keg, bring it down here.
You've got a
to put it
dirty
on
line
tap.
or anything like that, have you?
Just clean this out, pop it on, and when you're done, take it off like that.
Nice.
Walk back in the house with it. So it's perfect. So this bit here is the flow control. So if you've got a really lively beer, like if you had a wheat beer, for example, normally you need a really long length of line on a party tap to take that carbonation to a more manageable level. With this, you just tighten it up like that.
Yep.
No flow at all, or you open it up the other way. Easy.
There we go.
Easy peasy. In fact, we'll just show you that. So let's just, it's a bit cleaning fluid coming out. So that's closed all the way now. So obviously, pop that on.
Yeah.
Nothing. Ain't nada nada.
No. Give it a little tickle.
Little tickle. Still not enough. Yeah. I mean, look, come on, we barely opened it, did we? And then we'll open it a bit further.
There you go.
Look at that. If you don't think that's enough, keep opening it. No. Look at that. Perfection. Easy. Right, I mean, obviously I've opened it too far there. Yeah. But, you know, you get it dialed in. No bothering messing around with changing line lengths or anything like that. You just do it all on the tap and you can get yourself a nice, cheeky little pint of beer when you've said, oh, I just need to nip to the shed to do something. You can go and nail a few beers in there.
This reminds me once, maybe we can put the video onto this video, that once I was in Spain and there was it was actually a Hungarian, it was a Hungarian place and they were celebrating their 2nd year of opening in Spain.
Yeah.
And they rolled the keg there, put it on, it was like an old wooden twisty thing, guess what, serving a bit, oh, it's frothy, it's frothy, it's frothy.
Yeah.
If they had this, maybe they could have controlled it. Being smart, we thought, well, we'll just put our head underneath it. And you'll see, maybe you could put it on.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Go now. Go. Jamie.
Oh, yes. But I suppose if you wanted to, I mean, you could experiment. You could just put your face under there and try a bit.
Replicate it.
Yeah, if you
Go
want
on,
to.
okay.
Yeah, go, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. Beautiful.
That was a lot easier.
That probably was, yeah. But this whole assembly is £28, and then plus £1 extra for a tap that basically for a spring that automatically closes it. Just include it. Just include it. But yeah, 29 quid all in. Or if you'd have got it on offer when they had the Black Friday sale, I think it was 20 quid, something like that. But absolutely mega, a really handy bit of kit as well.
Yeah.
Because when you're done, you can just take it off. There we go. Put a bit of beer on the worktop.
Yeah. Give it a bit of a spray with your disinfectant.
Bit of Star Sanders.
Included with this one, buy to do it.
And there we go. So yeah, quick little equipment review. I would wholeheartedly recommend one of these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good quality as well.
It is, mate. These little NukaTaps are pretty good. This is what I use on my normal
your beer line.
on the NukaTaps as well. But this is just the teeny weeny one.
Cool.
So yeah.
Love it. Nice.
Yeah. Oysters out.
Yeah.